Hey y'all, AC Boss. So I've had this question several times lately. They say, Richard, do y'all do commercial work at Grayson? So I don't know why this is a big secret, but I guess we just don't advertise commercial work, but I want to let y'all know that we do a ton of commercial work here at Grayson. Y'all know Joey, my install manager. He's the head honcho over all our commercial stuff. He's got special printers for blueprints and drafting tables. So I just wanted to share with y'all that we are very capable of commercial work. And something that really separates us from most people is we are actually a licensed, insured, prime general contractor. And what that means is we're not limited to a certain dollar amount. We can do any job, any size, any dollar amount. So I want to share with y'all, there's going to share some pictures here with us and some videos of our current projects to show y'all what all work Grayson's capable of. So as y'all can see, we've been doing a ton of commercial work in many different places and many different styles. So as we develop relationships with other GCs and they learn our quality and they really see what type of product that we produce, we're getting more and more of that type of work. So I want to share it with y'all. I want y'all to be able to reach Joey personally with his email where you can send plans. It doesn't matter if it's a new build, a remodel, an existing business. We can handle it.